Hi all! You are on Max's channel. Here we watch natural phenomena that are happening right now.
Germany witnessed a strange and horrifying natural event, a historic hailstorm. This hailstorm caused much damage and chaos across the country, causing people and authorities to face an unimaginable challenge.
The hail is like baseballs here. It is ruining our house.
Unbelievable! The horror of this situation is beyond words.
Everywhere. They are the size of baseballs. Holy
The hailstorm took place against the backdrop of a sudden summer storm. This storm not only brought heavy rain and strong winds, but also an extremely unusual hail phenomenon.
Oh my goodness! The sheer terror people must be feeling. This is absolutely nightmarish. I can't believe my eyes.
Hail fell from the sky
This
as
is
large
pure horror.
marbles, causing
Can't fathom the
severe
pain people are
damage to
going
the
through.
affected areas. One of the hardest hit areas is Munich,
Devastating to
the
see Mother
capital of
Nature
the
unleash
state
her
of
fury
Bavaria.
like this.
Here, large rocks up to 5 centimeters in diameter and large in volume have caused destruction to houses,
Dear Lord,
cars,
this is a
and
tragedy
trees.
of epic proportions.
Schools and infrastructure were also severely damaged. Not to mention the horror of local people, especially those who could not find safe shelter in time.
Oh dear God!
German
The
authorities
magnitude of this
quickly
disaster
responded
is
by
overwhelming.
providing financial support and resources to those affected, and deploying rescue forces to help handle the emergency situation.
My heart goes out to everyone affected by this tragedy. This is absolutely devastating. I can't comprehend the scale of
Germany
destruction.
and the world should learn from this event and take action to protect our planet and prepare for the unpredictable challenges of the future.
Guys, take care of yourselves. Peace to everyone.